Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can add a new page to your website project or e-commerce store on Wix. It is actually super simple, guys. All you need to do is head over to Wix, log into your account, select the website project you would like to work on and click on Edit Site here. Next, head over to your website's dashboard and click on Edit Site here in the top right corner. That is going to open up the Wix website editor. Now guys, to add a new page, simply click on Pages menu here on the left sidebar, and here at the top you will see that option, Add New Page. So if you click on it, guys, you will be given access to the library of customizable website templates here in or on Wix. So you can choose, for example, between website templates for projects, contact, general landing pages, for error pages, stores, restaurants, blogs, portfolios, and so on and so forth. So guys, for demonstration purposes, let me add that About Us page to my website by clicking on it. Alternatively, you can add a completely blank page and customize it according to your own imagination and taste by clicking on Blank Page here. And after that, simply add all kinds of elements to your website, add subpages, videos, text, fonts, images, photos, menus, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.